mom, Darlene, used to work at Termanix as a secretary. Yeah, my mom, Darlene, and then before that she was a secretary at the USO. And then she got a job at secretary. It's not too far from Fink's Auto Shop, and not too far from Bruce Rock Fireman, where he goes there. Oh, Katrina Barrera, I can't think of her last name. They got baptized. She got saved and baptized. She lives not too far where Jeff Wembley and Roy Justice live. And Cameron and Alan and the other one, Cameron and Beth Allen and all them, and Mike Allen. Anyway, he's got a twin brother. Anyway, Mike Allen does. Jason Everett's fireman's area where he goes building is over that way. Well, anyway, you get the idea. Termanix used to have a saying, no ifs or bugs about it. That used to be the commercial. There's a leaf there. I remember reading it in a book where the boy's been wanting a dog, and the leaf followed him wherever he went, and somehow that leaf ended up being a dog later on in the storyline. Somehow I can't find that video of me doing my version of Collar Monte, and teaching how to do it. I know it's in there somewhere. I see this as a red dot, it means record. So why can I not find it? I don't know. Maybe I'll get lucky and I'll find it and upload it. Meanwhile, I've been trying to learn the Stephen Brundage Cube 3 video. Sometimes I do it and I can't get it right, and then sometimes I did it and I don't know what I did, and then I'll do it again and then the cube will mix up again. And I was like, I don't understand what I'm doing wrong. Sometimes I do it right, sometimes I do it wrong, or I do it wrong and then I do it right. Doing something wrong. It's like I need a video record myself, see where I'm going wrong. Anyway, I'm trying to learn the toss-up solve. Anyway, lucky I know how to solve Rubik's Cube since 1980s. So if I do mess up in the pattern, I can always put it back. Although he does give an instruction, if you don't know how to solve a Rubik's Cube, you can learn it from him. And there's a lot of YouTube channels you can learn from, even Facebook videos, and even he stresses that too. But even websites that would make you do shortcuts to solve it quicker. It's called speed cubing. But thanks to Jesus helped me to use Stacy, my sister Stacy, as a key, golden key, to realize to find my own patterns, and I solved it quicker with my own ideas, and then I put it on YouTube, and then I applied to it on Facebook too.